Another week, another video. This week we kind of struggled with what to do. And you're gonna realize why. Yes, I have a lot to do on Sally, but I'm not gonna touch it. Not right now. And there's a reason. We're gonna take apart a desk. We sold it. So, come with me. Here is seg culprit. The cricket's gotta come down. The vinyl rack's gotta come down. And obviously the computer. This probably won't be our longest video, but it's gonna catch you guys up to speed on what's been going on in our life. We've got some news. Yeah, I feel like it's exciting. To us at least. I put a little bit of a pause on fixing the car. Well, mine at least. Megan's is still good. But I think end of the day, that's okay because it's going to put us forward a lot. So let's take this thing apart and break it down a bit. Computer's down. I might not just be only good at working on cars. Desk is pretty much ready to come apart. I'm gonna leave it in 3 pieces. I'm hoping I can get those each up the stairs. I'm just gonna wait for Megan. She's putting the kids down. And then she can just kind of hold it up because the centerpiece really doesn't have anything to balance on. It's got no leg on one side. Yeah, like it's busted apart here. There's 2 screws just half threaded in over there. And we gotta wipe it down for the new owners and get that little vinyl rack off. Ta-da! Yeah, all I needed was a Phillips, but I brought a Robertson just in case.
I'm too lazy to turn the light on, so flashlight.
We have succeeded.
Yep.
The computer desk has been disassembled.
You know what that means?
What?
No more reckless banners till Kamloops?
Yep. They don't know yet. What's Kamloops?
That's where we go like every other week.
But why?
Well, if you were watching in our pre-hot night video, or our date night video, there was...
You followed me.
Still following you. Snuggling on the couch. There might have been a for sale sign in our front yard.
I think she's crazy. She's playing mind games with you. Or is she?
I don't know. I guess they're going to have to tune in next week to find out.
What's next week?
I can't tell you. That would spoil the surprise.
Isn't this the surprise?
What surprise? Am I hurting your head yet?
Well, today I took a desk apart.
Why'd you do that?
And for some reason I didn't touch the cars. And I refused to touch the car. That needs to be touched a lot.
Are you going to tell him?
Are you going to tell him?
Nah, they can wait till next week.
We're moving. I didn't say shh.
Let's see how good your hearing is. We'll see you next week.
I am watching the button. Where's my finger? Right there. Smash that subscribe button. Like she said. Deuces. Peace.